mucho amor. Yo tuve alguna vez tanto amor que no puedo explicar. Porque ya no estás aquí junto a mí como ayer en mis brazos, mirando al cielo en la oscuridad.
Wow.
Y es que estoy
Oh no, I need to put the camera.
recordando como
There you go.
¡Nieto!
I already
Quiero-
finished all my fries.
recordar esta noche
I already
momentos
Your
que
mom
no
is
volverán.
way behind us.
I know.
Ya sé
We're already almost at
de
our
aquellos
house.
poemas
And she's way behind us.
Your brother's
tristes
still in the highway.
como una
She
oración,
is. But
una
please.
oración que tiene mucho amor, como el que yo
What's
que
the
tuve alguna vez,
Imagine if we were like the whole day.
tanto amor que no
I will take a
puedo
video of this.
explicar, porque
For
ya no estás aquí
It's already 1 minute.
junto a mí como ayer en mis brazos, mirando al cielo en la oscuridad. Y es
I
que
love to
estoy
see nature.
Como a agua
recordando
que le dieron un ticket de 300, no sé yo cuánto. Digo yo, ¿por dónde, por dónde diablos fue que fletió? Fue a la policía que fletió.
I love all.
Dije, por
I
eso
love
que
all
no
things.
lo podía
Like my
meter
dad.
solo, porque ese loco,
No, un hombre seguro metió.
ese loco,
Like my, like Mama Juana.
My mom's not that old. She's only 34,
exacto.
How old is your dad?
40.
Voy a repetirle, pero no importa.
Yo soy una niña jovencita.
Yeah.
Your mom is young.
Yeah, she's
So young, me. More like me, Brianna.
no, me as the youngest. Oh my god, look at that car.
No, Jeremiah. Jeremiah's the youngest. No, not even the newborn baby is the youngest. You know who is the youngest?
The alien one.
You know who's the youngest? Nobody. Ketchup on it. But I just love to see them. Her mom is still at the highway. And we're almost at my house.
No, she's not, bro. She's right behind us.
Is she?
Oh my god, that car kind of looks scary.
Which one?
No, the one that you have that's in front is like.
The other house. Oh my god. That's where Baba Yoni lives.
Mama, Yoli.
Mama Yoni lives right there.
It's not fair that my grandma doesn't live in front
Me
of
voy
me.
de una vez.
I mean, she is my grandma, but like she doesn't live in front of me. Like all of my cousins live in
Le
Boston.
tiré a Giselle ahorita. Le dice, ya viste, imagínate que él no le habla.
Junior lives in Dorchester. Let me just do one last thing.
Ya le dijo, ya no voy a Parece que ya le pusieron feo.
Ew. Roar. Did I say roar?
Imagino.
Yeah, let's go.